In today's video, we will discuss the MRI brain and orbit planning protocol. Proper planning is the most critical step in MRI of the brain and orbit. Even a small planning error can significantly affect image quality and may lead to missed pathology. The brain and orbit are highly sensitive anatomical regions. Therefore, high-resolution imaging, thin slice thickness, and accurate plane selection are essential for optimal evaluation. The patient should be positioned in the supine position with the head placed in a neutral alignment. Head rotation or tilt should be avoided. A dedicated head coil or a compatible neurovascular coil is typically used. The patient should be instructed to avoid eye movement, as this can cause significant motion artifacts, especially in orbit imaging. Planning begins with a three-plane localizer, including axial, coronal, and sagittal images. These scout images help determine anatomical orientation and guide accurate sequence planning. Key landmarks to identify during planning include the AC-PC line and the optic nerve axis. Axial brain images are planned parallel to the AC-PC line. Coverage should extend from the foramen magnum to the vertex. The typical slice thickness is 4 to 5 millimeters, with minimal or no interslice gap. Axial images provide excellent visualization of the brain parenchyma, ventricular system, and basal ganglia. For proper orbit evaluation, routine axial brain images are not sufficient. A dedicated thin-slice axial orbit sequence is required. Axial orbit images are planned parallel to the course of the optic nerve. Slice thickness is usually 2 to 3 millimeters, allowing detailed assessment of the optic nerve, extraocular muscles, and retroorbital fat. Coronal images are planned perpendicular to the axial images. For brain imaging, coronal coverage extends from the frontal lobes to the occipital lobes. In orbit studies, the coronal plane is particularly important as it provides optimal visualization of the optic nerve trajectory, superior and inferior rectus muscles, and the orbital apex. Coronal orbit slices should always be planned perpendicular to the optic nerve. Sagittal images are planned using the mid-sagittal localizer. The mid-sagittal view allows clear visualization of the corpus callosum, brainstem, pituitary region, and optic chiasm. In orbital pathology, sagittal images are helpful for evaluating optic nerve compression, elongation, or displacement. During orbit MRI, fat suppression techniques should always be applied to improve lesion conspicuity and to better differentiate the optic nerve from surrounding fat. Common mistakes in orbit MRI include patient motion, incorrect slice angulation, and excessive slice thickness. In conclusion, proper MRI brain and orbit planning is not just about obtaining good-looking images, it is essential for ensuring accurate diagnosis. Strong planning skills are a defining quality of an excellent MRI technologist. Thank you for watching.